How to remove Instagram's locked account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can fix and remove if your Instagram account has been locked away. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whenever your Instagram account is locked or disabled, you will get a message when you try to log in that your Instagram account is temporarily locked or disabled. In most of the cases you'll just find the review button right on that specific error so that you can verify your identity and then unlock your account again. But if you miss that chance and then you're not being able to log in and then you want to unlock your account, in that case what you have to do is you have to visit Instagram Help Center from your browser. So open up your browser and then just go to help.instagram.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Go to help.instagram.com over here and then you'll land on this web page which you see. Once you're on the web page, in the search box you just want to go ahead and type in locked account in this case. So just type in locked account and search for it. You'll be able to see loads of search results where you have the option called disabled Instagram account. Just tap on it. Once you come and see this article over here, you'll be able to see a bunch of information, and it says if someone gain access to your account or if you're unable to log into your account, visit this page which you see over here. So you can see the visit this page link. I'll just tap on visit this page link and then you'll land on this page. It says why can't you get into your account. Here you want to select my account was disabled, then hit the submit button. After that it says why was your Instagram account disabled. So your Instagram account doesn't follow community guidelines, your Instagram was hacked and they disabled my account. So in this case you want to select your Instagram was hacked. You don't want to say that your account doesn't follow because Instagram is going to think that your account is spam. So we're just going to put it on the hacker and then just hit the next button over here. And then once you do that, it will give you some other insights and articles so that you can go ahead and then simply gain access back into your account. Or else it will give you this little button that says was this helpful, where you have to select no and then just select the solution doesn't work. Once you do that, it will give you can you say more, and there is this optional text. You can simply enter to them that you're not being able to log in or report back into your account. So hope this video cleared the confusion. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.